Three paths connect the same A and B. Which one takes the least time? The straight line looks obvious, while the deep curve looks longer.
Do not choose yet. First, separate distance from travel time.
The Brachistochrone minimizes time under gravity, not geometric length. A longer path can win if it gains useful speed much earlier. This is a race between time histories, not just shapes. Most intuitive guesses lose when their complete travel times are compared.
The remaining golden curve is the cycloid.
One clear winner replaces a screen full of competing guesses. The cycloid drops steeply, converting height into speed early. After the early acceleration, it glides efficiently toward B. Its advantage is when speed is gained, not simply how deep it goes. Bernoulli replaced continuously changing speed by discrete optical layers. A broken fastest light path bends at each layer boundary. With more layers, the broken path approaches the smooth cycloid. Bernoulli posed the challenge in 1696. Newton and other leading mathematicians supplied solutions in 1697. Later calculus of variations explained the general optimization method. A fixed point on a rolling circle traces a cycloid. The circle, radius, and traced point make the geometry visible. The same golden line is now a constructed curve, not a mysterious answer.
The cycloid also has the tautochrone property.
Beads released from different heights reach the bottom together. Different starting distances can still produce one arrival time. Calculus of variations compares entire candidate paths. The quantity minimized is t-path, Fourier integral of ds, divided by local speed. The extremal path selected by that comparison is the cycloid. Related optimization ideas appear in geodesics, minimal surfaces, and control. Each application searches over many possibilities for one best structure. The cycloid is the memorable doorway into that larger idea. Now all three beads are released together from the same point. The cycloid arrives first, followed by the circular arc and straight line. Equal final depth gives equal final speed, but not equal arrival time. The quickest frictionless descent between these points is a cycloid. Fastest does not mean shortest. It means gaining speed at the right time.
Brachistochrone means the curve of shortest time.